really liked how you guys didn't actually like read off a paper because it just sounds so much more natural.
It was like really exciting, so it really gets the listeners to like get their attention.
The voice maybe a bit louder so that the audience can hear you since it's going to be a pretty big stage.
You guys are really amazing. So just show yourself the best. Okay. Look for red box. Here.
Red box, red box, red box, red box.
And we are the yellow bananas.
Do you like slime? Do you like stuffed animals? Do you like your slime? We have all the materials for you to make slime.
Also, if you like...
Hello, y'all. Watch, sniff, listen, taste, and taste this R-E-A-T. Great! You'll stay up day and night to make a fun, happy learning space for you. For us, the true blues, honest and true, ready to serve you. Thank you. The Marble Tigers. Rock and roll. Hello, we are the Marble Tigers. We also might have movie session in the multi-purpose hall. Put the suggestion card inside the suggestion box.
Step 4. Student council will read the suggestion card.
Here are some reasons why you should vote for us.
We have a lot of fun events planned for you to enjoy. We have stuff done.
We care about NIS and nature. We will make sure our community will stay clean, and we will plant more plants around
This is
school.
why you should vote for us as your student council. Dolphins give you a wave of fun. Go Purple Dolphins! First, we will always listen to your ideas. We'll make a big board made out of paper cheat for you to write your ideas
We'll
on.
always make assembly funny. No board assemblies anymore. We will make the one you should vote for Red Fox. Come out of the box and think like a fox.
And let's give a big round of applause to everybody. But the team that got the most votes is the Red Foxes.